offs have been nothing short of nail biting, and tonight will be the same. She sent home a princess the last time she was here. Can she do it again tonight? It's Zoe Chanel. All right, her opponent won't go down without a fight. And we know that she really can fight because she beat up some duppy on the stage after her last performance. All right, ready to let her lyrics do the fighting? This week it's Kawaila J. Kawaila. Kawaila. Take it easy. Zoe Chanel will be going first as decided by the coin toss. So, Mr. Google, start the thing, now, man. Thank you.
It's all right, Scatter. Last week when me never there, me you say you take off your hats to me. Me I go leave the stage because I don't want you to take off nothing more.
Can't believe them send me a mad patient. I could have won it. Just stick I won it. Me make sure I walk with piece of stick. Cause she always a kick. People me know that she sick, but if I could catch me, that's God. Ready to kill a clown, lyrics a kill a clown, lyrics a kill a clown, lyrics a kill a clown. Hey, Magnum, me put send her go home. See the girl a kick like a John, she a John. Lyrics a kill a clown, lyrics a kill a clown, lyrics a kill a clown, lyrics a kill a clown. Hey, Magnum, me put send her go home. So Chanel represent both sound. Streaming up on from morning a float. I search hardware just to find piece of rope. We tie up her hand, foot and throat. Because she's sick in her head and she gon' need antidote. Watch her, she hell at the earth, she act like a goat. Me I make sure her medication them import. Set a Jamaica thanks for your vote. Lyrics make your head fly without a passport. Lyrics a killer clown, lyrics a killer clown, lyrics a killer clown, lyrics a killer clown.
Yo, Magnum, remember say I made it say pick a pocket in our she a try pick a fight. That not right. This girl a hype and a talk about she want clash. And this something when me up, I go puff like bomb. She not understand to jam me clutch. And this something when me up, I go puff like bomb. Little girl, well a pom pom. Don't make me send to me contact. She not ready for a lyrical back. Cause this something when me up, I go puff like boom 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 on one end. Click, click, click on another end. She pop up in a this and a bit take sense. DBJ, tell me if this makes sense. Me a delivery call Martian. See you work apartment. That's what that abortion. You go from a blast one. You look a sharp one. Come up for the stage and go on, man. Go on, man. Go on, man. This girl a hype and a talk about she wants, right?
All right. Cha. Judges, we have the fate of two talented artists in your hands. Who will it be, Miss Kitty?
Well, I gotta tell you, good night, everybody. La 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 la. Magnum up and live tonight. Well, it was like taking candy from a baby a while ago. Mud sick and good. Kawaila J.
All right,
Good
scatter.
night again, Magnum. Wow.
Okay.
You know, never talk the truth, not talk of the things.
Hold on. Professor, no, Mr. Scatter. We know we don't want him work and we want to ignore him. Yeah, but a scatter for true. Yeah, a scatter. We know I never see, me never ever pay him the man. So sorry.
Listen, them say every artist, every entertainer have a little streak of madness in them. And she display that one day, but she display talent tonight. She come out for war and she shell it. Good job.
All right, so it's Kawaila J. Okay, all right. Congrats, Kawaila J. So go and go get ready. Okay.